Artificial intelligence is transforming the way organizations work, and human resources is no exception. From screening thousands of resumes in seconds to predicting workforce trends, AI is making HR faster, smarter, and more efficient. But there's a bigger question that every HR leader needs to ask. Is AI actually making HR better, or is it simply making existing HR processes faster?
Across India, companies are rapidly adopting AI-powered HR solutions. Recruitment platforms are using algorithms to identify candidates. Chatbots are answering employee queries. Analytics tools are helping leaders understand workforce patterns. The promise is clear. Reduce manual work, improve productivity, and allow HR professionals to focus on more strategic responsibilities. And the benefits are undeniable. AI brings speed. AI brings scale. AI reduces administrative burden.
Consider recruitment. Earlier, recruiters spent countless hours manually reviewing resumes, scheduling interviews, and managing candidate communication. Today, AI can analyze thousands of applications, identify potential matches, and automate repetitive tasks within minutes. Employee engagement surveys can now collect and analyze massive amounts of workforce data. HR teams can identify patterns faster and make decisions based on real-time insights. But efficiency alone does not guarantee improvement.
Because the real challenge is not whether AI can perform HR tasks faster. The real challenge is whether AI is helping organizations make better decisions about people. Are companies becoming better at understanding employees? Are leaders becoming better at developing talent? Or are organizations simply using advanced technology to execute outdated HR practices more efficiently?
This is where the conversation becomes more complex. AI learns from existing data, and existing data often reflects existing human decisions, including human limitations and biases. For example, AI-powered resume screening can improve hiring speed, but if the definition of an ideal candidate is narrow or biased, automation may simply repeat those same mistakes at a much larger scale. Technology does not automatically remove bias. Sometimes it can make bias harder to notice. That is why human judgment remains critical.
The same challenge exists with employee engagement. AI can analyze thousands of employee responses and identify workplace trends, but data alone does not create a better employee experience. If managers collect feedback but fail to take meaningful action, organizations create only the illusion of listening. Employees do not need more surveys. They need leaders who understand the insights and act on them.
Are we using AI to build better workplaces? Because the organizations that succeed in this decade will not be the ones that simply automate HR. They will be the ones that use AI to rethink HR, making it more strategic, more inclusive, and more human. AI can make HR faster, but only people can make HR better.
The future of HR is not about replacing humans with machines. The greatest value will come from combining AI capabilities with human judgment. AI can analyze information, identify patterns, and automate repetitive work. But humans bring empathy, creativity, ethical thinking, and the ability to understand individual experiences. The best HR teams of the future will not choose between technology and humanity. They will combine both.